In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unmute someone's notes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at these three lines and select Settings and Privacy. And that's where we can easily find muted accounts. If we get into it, it will show us the list of all the accounts we have muted. If we want to unmute some of them, we can tap at Unmute, and then we can choose which types of content we would like to keep muted or unmute. So if you just want to unmute notes, turn off the switcher next to mute notes. If you want to mute or unmute posts and stories, you can also configure it here. That's how you can easily unmute someone's notes on Instagram.